Hello, my name is Tanushree Madalam and I'm a senior at the Uruguayan American School in Uruguay. I'm so honored to be sharing my project with you today. My initiative, the Manos de Héroes project, has combined technology, community, and compassion to make a real difference in people's lives. The goal of this project is to create 3D printed prosthetic hands for individuals who need them, providing a free and accessible solution for those without access to traditional prosthetics. I started the initiative around a year ago, during my junior year, when I partnered up with a foundation called Manos de He. They visited our school a few months back to give a talk about how they work, and they explained that they were a non-profit working to make custom 3D printed prosthetics for people in need. I remember being so fascinated and moved by their work that I decided that I had to contribute to the cause. My goal was simple at first: raise at least $1,000 for the cause and 3D print a hand for a person in need using the 3D printer that we had in our school. The goal was not just reached, but surpassed. So far, I have raised over $4,500 and helped 3 people using that money. The first hand was made for Valentina, an 8-year-old born without her fingers in one of her hands. Next came Diana, a 55-year-old woman who unfortunately lost her arm in an accident. Most recently, we helped Robert, who was also in need of a prosthetic arm. The impact of this project goes far beyond just creating prosthetic hands. It's about restoring confidence and independence. Diana, for example, was finally able to ride her bike again with a special tool that we 3D printed for her. I had never seen a community get together more than I did during this project. Ever since I announced the initiative to the school during an assembly, support for my project has come from every corner of my community. My friends and family spread across different parts of the world contributed generously, believing in the impact this initiative could have. Within my school, the response was overwhelming. Students and teachers not only participated in the fundraisers and sales that I had set up to fund the project, but also went above and beyond, taking their own initiatives to raise money. Some students even approached me, asking me to teach them how to 3D print. The encouragement and generosity I received were unlike anything I had ever experienced. My school rallied behind this project like no other, turning it into a true community effort. Working on this project has been a life-changing experience for me. It allowed me to make a tangible impact on people's lives. From troubleshooting technical issues in the 3D printing process to organizing fundraising efforts, every step of this journey has taught me some valuable lessons. I have learned problem solving, teamwork, and the importance of perseverance. The project has deepened my empathy and understanding of how small actions can create meaningful change. Seeing the smiles on the faces of the recipients has definitely been the most rewarding part of this journey. But the Manos de Héroes project has also given me a deeper understanding of what it means to be a global citizen. It has shown me how technology, when combined with community support, can help address real-world challenges such as accessibility to prosthetics. While this is still a small effort, it has reinforced the idea that even simple solutions can make a difference in someone's life. Working with Manos de Héroes has also been a learning experience, showing me the power of collaboration across borders. Seeing how people came together to support a shared cause has been so inspiring. And I hope this project can encourage others to find ways to contribute to their own communities in meaningful ways. I am so grateful for the support I've received and excited about the future possibilities for this project. Thank you, AMISA, for recognizing the efforts of students working to create positive change and for giving me the opportunity to share this experience.